Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's class, we'll be talking on text extraction from images using ChatGPT. In other words, you have images that are text-based, and you want to extract the text from this image or images. And I want to show you how you can make use of ChatGPT to fast track the process. And you know what it means to extract text from images. If you want to type it, it's going to be time demanding for you to type it and the likes. But we will leverage on a chatbot like ChatGPT. See how that is optical character recognition. We give it the capacity to extract text from images. Now, what are the advantage? What are the benefits? Why should I use ChatGPT? That's the question. Why should I use ChatGPT to extract text from images? Number one, it is fast, very fast. You don't have to type. Imagine manually if you want to type text in an image. Of course, it's going to take you time, but make use of ChatGPT. It's very fast. So it's very fast. So number is fast. Number two, accurate. Yes, as long as the images are clear, accurately it captures it. Number three, we can see that it's cost free. You can the service provider who offer OCR services is of course where you have to pay. Now, but now if you have with availability of ChatGPT is free, you can make use of this feature, and of course it's stress free. You don't have to imagine you have to type over and over. Of course, in this technological, in this AI era, you need to save your time so that you can use that time for other things. So I'm going to show you the process. This is ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT 5, you can see the interface, and that means you have your ChatGPT account. Log into your ChatGPT account, and the next thing, as you log into your ChatGPT account and the image, import the image to ChatGPT. If you have copied, you can paste it, or if the image is already opened, I think this is also another faster one. Now, this is the image. What I have to do now is to copy. That's one of the words. Just copy the image very fast. And what do? Come to ChatGPT, and as you copy the image, paste the image. Yes, wait. You can see this arrow is dormant. Yes, wait. When you see it, the color black, that means the image has been successfully uploaded. And decide to use this plus sign. So if you use plus sign, in other words, add photo, locate where you have it on desktop or wherever you save it. It doesn't have to be on desktop. Wherever you save it, this says I save it on desktop. So this is image. Okay. So let me click on this open. So whatever method that you like to import with ChatGPT, the bottom line is that you import it. That's the most important thing. Now, wait, you can see this thing is dormant. Wait, when it's successfully uploaded, you'll see this arrow. So we can see file upload pending. So it's still uploading. So when it's successfully uploaded, you see it's going to be in color. Can you see color black? So what do you have to do? Provide your prompts for ChatGPT to extract the text, and you can say extract text from this image. As simple as that. Press the arrow or press enter on your keyboard. Okay, let's wait for it. Now, can you see that? Almost immediately, with few seconds, ChatGPT has provided results. So this is how to leverage ChatGPT to for stress extraction. And of course, if you read it, there'll be a follow-up if you other things you want to do. So this is how to make use of ChatGPT for text extraction. If you are here to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Click on the bell to get alerts for our subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.